Hello, my name is Jane Campbell, and my poem is about a mole that visited me during lockdown and inspired this poem. It's called Aroused. Cousin Mole, who left sifted soil by my narrow cot this coddled winter, you rekindled my desire to flourish. Unseen, you scraped a life from worms and roots, then lifted a gift to the surface. Kindred velvet creature, I hid too for a long night time. Emerged now to bare my face in a public space, yearning for the miracle of smiles. But I shall not forget your dark earthworks and random acts of kindness.